Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I have found the perfect water bottle for hiking, going to the gym, or just even if you're on the go. This half-gallon water bottle from SHAZO is all you need. This will keep you hydrated all day long. But more than that, what's special about this water bottle is all the amazing features that you can carry everything you need with you right here by your side. This water bottle has a very nice sleeve that goes around the outside of it, which has extremely convenient pockets. It features an area that you can use for your wallet, your ID, or cards that you might need on you. It also has a nice pocket on the other side for your phone or other maybe chapstick or other things that you may need with you on the go. I really appreciated that there's a special spot to hold your keys as well. It makes it really convenient that you don't leave them anywhere on accident. I really love the design of the straw spout as well. It's covered and protected with the plastic covering so nothing can sneak in your water bottle. It simply pops up with the press of a button and you're ready to drink your water. Extremely impressed by the large capacity of this water bottle and the complete functionality of it. I find it really nice to take with us when we go to the park or on hikes because I don't have to worry about leaving my keys or anything in the car. I can have everything right here conveniently in the outer sleeve of the water bottle. Whether I'm taking this water bottle on a hike to the gym or just using it throughout the day, I really find that all the features of it are so convenient, and I found that it really helps increase my water intake. But that's just my point of view.